So how to transfer WhatsApp Android to iPhone easily. Set. So open WhatsApp to iPhone, and here can see agree and term. Press and you can see the three dotted line. Then you can see the link as completed device, and at the same time go to your Android and press on a link device, and now press on link device, press on OK. Now you have to scan this code. If you see this kind of message, then make sure you are using WhatsApp Messenger for same. I am using the WhatsApp Messenger right now. Same process again, and if you press on scan, then you can see it's transferring data, and it's done now. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.